I'm Amy, and holding the camera a socially distanced part away from me is Jill Capone, and we are the NJHomeGirls right now, NJ Stay-at-Home Girls, and we're really excited to show you our newest listing, which is 16 Beaumont Terrace. It's nestled in the gorgeous Upper Gregory neighborhood. It's a rare 5-bedroom, 3.5 baths. It's huge, it's sunny, it's bright, you're gonna love it. So we're gonna come in. Let me first tell you a little bit about the neighborhood. We're here in Upper Gregory. It's beautiful, Easter Day, and Gregory is super easy access to New York City. So we can catch just a couple blocks away is the free jitney to the New Jersey transit trains right into Manhattan. Or, what's nice about here is you can walk about a block up the hill and you can catch the direct bus right into Port Authority. So there's tons of options, and if you want to drive on the highway, the highway is right there as well. So it's perfectly located. Also, just down the street is the South Mountain Recreational Complex, which is like the Turtleback Zoo, the wonderful walkway, one of the best playgrounds in the state of New Jersey is right there. We're super close to Montclair and all its dining. South Orange Maplewood is just over here, all of its dining options and shopping options. West Orange has great ones. It's a really fantastic community. An elementary school is probably about a half a mile away, and one of the middle schools is also just down the hill. So that's Upper Gregory, and this is Beaumont. So let me tell you a little bit about this house. It's all brick, which is awesome. And can't tell if you can see it, but it's a slate roof, which is also really fantastic. It's well maintained. The house is built in the 50s, and we are listing it at $650,000. So let's go in and see what's inside. So you open up, it's not quite a center colonial. You have this great staircase, and this really nice alcove. There's a great window that adds a little bit of a modern touch to it. So it's not quite the classic center colonial. And that adds a lot of light. You'll notice these floors are gorgeous. It's all original hardwood floors in fantastic shape. Really excellent. So we're gonna go first to the living room. Come on down. Again, nice, bright, open hallway. We'll go show all around everywhere, but this is our favorite part of the house. This is the living room, which is fantastic. It's not that sunny today, but you can see it's really light and bright in here, and huge space. You can fit so many people in here totally comfortably, for entertaining, for just relaxing. There's a working fireplace. It's wood burning right here. You can see it's just awesome. The windows in this house are newer. They are not the original windows, so they're in great shape as well. You can cozy up right here by the fireplace and read a book, have your coffee, whatever you want to do. It's really awesome. If you look, and I think you can see it today, even in the gray, it's a little hard from here, but we'll show you outside. There are seasonal views of Manhattan. Spring is coming. There's some really beautiful budding trees out here. We'll show you the deep backyard, which is also awesome. Out here, let's go out to the deck. I have to unlock the door first. Here you go. This deck is fantastic. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine like coffees, dinner out here, enjoying it? Here you can see, you probably can't see this on the camera, but right there is Manhattan. I think that is the World Trade Center or Empire State Building. I can't tell. I think it's the World Trade Center part over there. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. You can kind of tap down and you can see how deep this yard is. It goes all the way back. It is fantastic. You don't get this kind of a yard in this kind of a size house very often in the Upper Gregory section. So you can see this deck is well maintained. It's in great shape. It's a really great place to enjoy yourself. So let's go back in. Going to point out there's some great built-ins, original features here as well. And here we're going into the bright and sunny dining room, which is a great space with original wainscoting. Wonderful windows. I mean, look at how gorgeous it is out there. It's like so bright and sunny. Do want to show one little thing. This picture, this is the original design of the house when it was being built, which we think is kind of cool to look at. Anyway, it's just kind of cool. Classic. So you can see, oh, let me also show another really fantastic feature in this house, central air conditioning. So you can see there's vents all over the place. It's, again, really wonderful to find in a house of this size and this age in the Gregory section. Let's go to the sunny and bright kitchen. This kitchen is really cute and very sweet, has tons of cabinet space, as is a great, tons of countertop space, a great pantry in here for all your pantry goods and spices and stuff, and a really sweet little breakfast nook where you can enjoy your coffee as the current owner does, or do your homework, whatever it is that you want to do in this very cute area. All right, now we're going to go upstairs. There's a couple more features down here, but we'll get to those. Let's go upstairs first. Upstairs, there are 4 huge bedrooms upstairs. Again, big bedrooms. You're going to love the size. One of the things I love about this house too is that you walk up here and there's a really wide open hallway. You know, it's not one of those cramped spots that you often see, but there's lots of space even just here. Let's start in the master. This master is enormous. It's like 2 of my first New York apartments put together. So here it is, and it's so sunny. Look at this. This is fantastic. You have so much room in here. You could do whatever you want in here. I mean, you can just see from where I am what it's like. And again, you look out there, it's the New York City view. So first I'm going to show you 2. It's got a walk-in closet. Lovely. And here's the other awesome part. The owner just renovated the master bathroom. It's ensuite, it's gorgeous. Come on in. Look at this, it's beautiful. It's just beautiful. And there's a view of Manhattan. Again, it's really quite nice. Okay, so now we're going to go. So now you've seen the master. We've got 3 other big bedrooms on this floor. So let's go take a look at the first one. This room, so bright, so sweet, really sunny, and huge. I mean, you can put 2 twins, you can put a queen, you can put a king. It's just gorgeous. And look at the beautiful, outside of every window, are beautiful trees and like spring's coming. It's fantastic. Also, big closets. Every room has big closets. We'll just show you a couple of them. Okay, come on over. We're gonna go to bedroom number 3. This is the 3rd bedroom. Again, huge, just huge. Another big closet. So much potential space in here. It can't be beat. Every room in this house is wide, it's sunny, it's got the wood floors, it's fantastic shape. We've got up here 2 linen closets, which are awesome. A remodeled main bath up on the 2nd floor as well, which is in great shape. Lots of great details he put into the house when he did the refinishings. Really, the house is move-in ready. So here, this is the 4th bedroom on the 2nd floor. He uses it more as a den, but obviously you can use it as an office, as a den, as a workout room, or as a 4th bedroom, whatever you want. Another big closet, and again, this room has fantastic views of the city and of the backyard. It's like being in an oasis, and I feel like since we're all like stuck at home right now, it's nice to imagine being stuck in a nice big house like this. Okay, I'm gonna show you, we're not gonna go upstairs to the attic, but just to show you where we have an additional closet up here, which is this big giant closet that leads to the walk-up attic up there. The attic is unfinished, but also has great potential. So we're back on the first floor. We've been upstairs with all the bedrooms, and we've seen some of the living space out here on the first floor. I'm going to show you the other side of the house that has a couple other surprises. First, it's got a really large, sunny guest bathroom. This is the only half bathroom in the house. It's in great shape. A lovely coat closet here, and then access to the garage, which you can see is great and spacious. It fits 2 cars. There's a workbench area. It's right attached to the house. Now, we also have the 5th bedroom is on the first floor. So this could be a great guest room, a great office. You could do whatever you want with it. So here you have this awesome extra bedroom, 5th bedroom, which also has New York City views and its own ensuite bathroom. So it could be a perfect spot for an in-law if you have an in-law who needs to move in, or again, if you have guests who want to come in. It's another great option in this really large house. And again, just like every other room in this house, it's sunny, it's bright, it's big. It's really great. All right, so now we're in the lower level, the basement of the house. It's actually, the door is just off of that guest room that we just saw. This basement is so cool. He uses it for music studio, as you can guess. You can see tons of windows, which adds so much light here. There is a working fireplace. So very cool. I mean, you can make this a great hangout space. It's just got so many options down here. There's storage in this room. There's tons of built-in storage. And we're not going to show you it now, but behind this cabinetry is another source of storage. There is a series of storage rooms and the washer, dryer, all of that in another set of rooms. So there is nothing but space down here. And it's super cool because you can just hang out in most of it. It's finished and done. And there's a fireplace. And it's a walkout. So let's go outside while we're here and check out this amazing yard. So we're under the deck, just to orient yourself. This here, the deck comes upstairs. There's a staircase from the deck to the yard. And then we've got this really super cool, it's park-like, I think is the word that we think. All the way back here. Jill's catching up. It takes a while because it's so big. But look at this. I mean, this is just gorgeous and pretty and private and just huge. Stunning. It's huge. It's really huge. And it goes pretty much to. So that's everything at 16 Beaumont Terrace. We hope this little video tour gave you a good sense of the house, a little bit more than pictures, since we can't do open houses right now. But if you have any questions and want to see it, you can find out our information in our links that we'll have at the bottom of this video. The house is 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, slate roof, central air, brick facade, hardwood floors throughout, close to New York City transportation, all for $650,000. We hope you really liked it. Thanks.